everybody, and welcome to my video today. Today I want to share with you guys a really simple accordion gift card holder. I'm going to be using this stamp set, but just for a sentiment, and what I've done is this season's greetings I've actually cut in half, and I did a little stamp surgery and I cut it so that it will fit on the little tag I want to put on here. So we're going to use this. So this card here, this gift card holder, it coordinates with my December online class, and I'm going to show you all of the pieces to the online class here in just a minute, but I want to show you how to put this together first. I will have a project sheet for you guys. It will be linked in the YouTube description below or over on my website. It may not be up for a couple hours after you see this video, but it will be up, and then I will send it out through email as well. So this month I wanted to use this beautiful paper here. I really love this. My Blessed to Craft group is going to be getting a quarter pack of this. That's going to coordinate with my December online class, and it's really gorgeous paper, and you don't even have to do a lot to it to create a project. So what I did is I paired Bermuda Bay, it's one of my favorite colors, with this paper. So the December online class features Bermuda Bay and then also Coastal Cabana, and you're gonna love these projects. So what you're gonna do to start out your gift card holder is you're gonna start with a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4, and then it's 5 1/2, and that's gonna give you a standard A2 size card base. And then you're going to pick a piece of designer paper and you are going to add that. So I've just taken a 1/4 inch off this piece and we're just going to add it, and it's going to be flat. So, all right. So the next piece that you're going to need is going to be your accordion piece. So this is 4 1/4, and then it's by 11 inches. Okay, so it's black. I know it's a little hard to see, but I am going to give you the measurements. Okay, so this piece is 11 inches this way, and then it's 4 1/4 this way. The first score mark that you're going to make is going to be at 3 1/4. And again, all of this will be on the project sheet, the PDF, if you want to grab that and download it. I'm a visual person, so it makes it easier if I can show you on video, and then you can have that sheet. So the first score line is going to be 3 1/4. Will be this one right here. Then you're going to score at 6 1/2 right here. And then you're gonna score at 9 3/4, okay? And then when you put this together, you're gonna fold this piece over here, and then you will fold it just like an accordion. So it will look like this when you're done folding it, and you have that accordion piece. All right, so let's work on this accordion piece first. This is gonna be the front of my card. So this is the piece I want here with these beautiful trees. Your panels are gonna be 3 by 4. That's what makes this accordion gift card holder really nice, because your panels are 3 by 4, and that is a really easy measurement. So now you're gonna open this up, and then you can add, and you want a plain design here, because this is where your gift card is gonna go right here. So you want a really simple design on this last panel because it's going to be covered up with the gift card. All right, so for this piece, what you can do is you can just attach it like this and put your gift card piece in, or you can take a piece of designer paper and add it a little bit more. Now, this only on the sides. So you can use liquid glue for that, or you can use tear and tape. This month, if you spend $50 with me or more, you will get a free roll of tear and tape, which is this right here. It's really strong adhesive for all of your gift card holders or boxes or bags, anything that you're making like that. You're gonna wanna use this adhesive. I'm just gonna use the liquid glue because it's quicker for video right now. Okay, so then the next piece on the front here is gonna be this square, and we're gonna put it right there. So what I wanna do is bring my sentiment over, and it just says Season's Greetings. All right, we have this piece prepped, our sentiment, and then we have our accordion piece here, and then we have the card base here. So let me show you the next step. I wanna add a little bit of ribbon to this to keep it closed. So this is gonna go on the center of the card base piece. And then the ribbon I want to go underneath. So what I wanna do is just line this up about where I want it, which is gonna be under the sentiment, and it's gonna tie on the side. So that's about where I want it. So I'm just gonna flip that over, and it doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of tape. Gift card inside. Now I would trim this ribbon off so that the tails of the bow were not so long, and then inside you would put your gift card, so then when the person opens it, they open it like this. All right, so did anybody pick up on my mistake there? If you add the ribbon was an afterthought. I was like, oh, it'd be so cute if there was a bow on this. So we did the ribbon, but then because I did that, it prevents the accordion from opening up. So instead of it being an accordion, it's almost just like a fun fold. So instead of scrapping this whole video, you guys, and not sharing it or redoing it, I'm just gonna leave this in, because I think it's important to know that everybody makes mistakes, right? And this is not necessarily a mistake. I think it's a happy little accident. So you can have the accordion without the ribbon. If you don't put the ribbon on here, this will open up like an accordion. Okay, if you have the ribbon on here like this, then it will not be an accordion, it'll just flip open. So then you could put your message here, you could put another piece of white cardstock here, and then put your message, and then your gift card will just slide right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in here, and you guys let me know what you think of it. If you think the accordion would have been cuter, or if this just opening like this is okay. I don't know. I like it this way, but I like the accordion too. So maybe next week we'll do an accordion one and we'll see the difference. So this coordinates with my December online class, you guys, and you are gonna love this, all of these. So let me start by sharing with you the Pinwheel December class. The first way is you can be part of Blessed to Craft, which is $35 a month, and you get a make and take packet from the class each month. So in this month's make and take packet, we're gonna make this pinwheel card, which I just love. I've never made one of these before, and they are so fun to do. So we're gonna be doing this. You'll get the make and take for this. So you'll get the tag, you'll get all the pieces to make this. And then I have two other cards for you. We have this one right here. It has some stamping inside. Look at those beautiful snowflakes. And then there is this one here. And again, with the beautiful snowflakes and the snowflakes inside. So this is the make and take packet for Blessed to Craft. That's $35 a month. You'll get all of the pieces. You also will get a quarter pack of this designer paper, which is really beautiful. So you'll have all of that to create with. And then you will also get these beautiful blue gems, which coordinate perfectly with the projects I'm gonna share with you in this class. And then I have other videos for you within my class that show you how to make the rest of the projects that I'm gonna share with you. there is this really fun fold card, and then I'm going to show you how to make this designer paper add glitter to it, which makes the card really, really beautiful. So this is a separate video. So this is project number 2. Project number 3 is a hot chocolate holder, and this is going to double as a second project. If you don't want to make a hot chocolate holder, if you don't want it to hold hot chocolate to give as a gift, I'm going to show you the other thing you can do with this. So this is the third project, is a hot cocoa holder. The fourth project is this one sheet wonder where you are going to get to make 4 cards with that designer paper. These are really easy to make, and I really loved making these. They have the snowflakes and the designer paper, so there will be a video on how to make these. Now, if you don't want the hot chocolate holder, if you don't have anybody to give hot cocoa to, you can take these cards and make these cards and slip them into this, and then it makes a really awesome little gift. You could pair some envelopes with it and give this as a gift. This will be one of my mom's gifts that I give her. I'm gonna put this together and then do the envelopes, and I will give that to her as a gift for Christmas. So the one sheet wonder 4 set of cards is project number 4. Project number 5 is a scrapbook page, and this is really beautiful. It uses this designer paper. It has the snowflakes. I will show you how to put this together. And it is a double-sided layout this month. Last month, our layout was one-sided, but we turned it into a 2-sided layout, a double-sided layout. So this is the next side of it. So they just go side by side. I know it's a little hard for me to get it into in my camera view, but it turned out really, really beautiful. So all together, you're going to have 5 projects in the online class. Now, if you don't want to sign up for the Blessed to Craft for $35 a month and get the Make and Take packet, you can place an order with me of $50 or more. You will get the tear and tape, and then you will also get all the digital content. So you get all of the videos and then the PDF that coordinates with this, so you can make this. Otherwise, the very last option is you can purchase the digital online class for $45, and you'll get all of the digital items. You'll get the videos for all of the projects plus the PDF. It does not come with any physical kits. So you're not getting the Make and Take packet, but you'll get all of the digital content for $45. So I know that's a lot. The 3 options are down below in the YouTube description or over on my website. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will have the project sheet for this card in the YouTube description and on my website as well with the blog post. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Maybe as a bonus project, we'll do an accordion gift card holder in the class and not add the ribbon, so you can see how that works. But I actually really love the way this turned out. I will be saving this and using it as one of my gift card holders for a gift for this season. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out my accordion gift card holder that didn't turn out to be accordion, and for checking out my December online class. I hope that you're all having a wonderful Friday, and I will be back next week with more projects for you guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen, you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTubey things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.